Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn C-style, the heart leaf hanging basket. We can see that it consists of a pot, a lid and heart leaves. We have already completed the crochet for the pot and the lid in our previous learning process. So we start crocheting the part for the heart leaves and vines. There are 6 vines on the pot, with 3 vines having 3 leaves each and 3 vines having 4 leaves each. Now I will show you how to crochet heart leaves. We will be using the green yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook for this. Wrap the yarn. Start by making a slip knot after securing the yarn. Then make 7 chain stitches. This is the first one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's crochet the first half of the leaf. Start from the 3rd chain stitch from the hook. We make 1 double crochet and 1 treble crochet. We count from here 1, 2, and 3. Just continue crocheting into this stitch hole. Okay, make 1 double crochet first. Yarn over and insert hook into the 3rd chain stitch from hook. Yarn over, grab the yarn and pull through the stitch hole. Now we have 3 loops on hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again, pull through the last 2 loops at once. Okay, 1 double crochet completed. Next, make 1 treble crochet in the same stitch hole. You can also review it in our basic tutorials, as the treble crochet can be a little complicated for beginners. Yarn over twice first and insert hook into the same stitch. Yarn over, grab the yarn and pull through. Now we have 4 loops on hook. Then yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over again, pull through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over again, pull through the last 2 loops at once. Okay, 1 treble crochet completed. Next, we will continue crocheting in the next stitches. In the next stitch, make 2 treble crochet. The first one. The second one into the same stitch. Great! 2 treble crochet completed. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochet. The first one. The second one into the same stitch. In the next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. Yarn over, insert hook into the next stitch hole. Yarn over, grab the hook and pull through. Yarn over again, pull through the 3 loops at once. Okay, 1/2 double crochet completed. In the last stitch, make 1 single crochet. Now we have completed the first half of the leaf. It forms a shape like this. Then we continue crocheting the next half of the leaf. Chain 2 first. In the first chain, just right here, make 1 single crochet. Then we find the next stitch, just right here. We make 1/2 double crochet. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. This is the first one. And the second one. In the next stitch, make 2 treble crochets. This is the first one. And the second one. Then we find the next stitch, also the last stitch. Make 1 treble crochet and 1 double crochet. Okay, this is the treble crochet. Then 1 double crochet. At last, make 2 chain stitches. Slip stitch into the same stitch hole. Great! Our first leaf is complete. Cut off the excess thread. Then we continue crocheting, making 15 chain stitches. You can count and make it on your own. Now we continue crocheting the second leaf. We also start from the 3rd chain from hook. Just right in this stitch, make 1 double crochet and 1 treble crochet. Make 1 double crochet first. Then make 1 treble crochet. In the next stitch, make 2 treble crochet. The first one. And the second one. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochet. The first one. and the second one. In the next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Great! We have finished the first half of the leaf. Then we continue crocheting the other half of the leaf. Chain 2 first. We flip the first leaf and vine to the other side. Then make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. The first one, the second one, in the next stitch, make 2 treble crochets. The first one, the second one, then we find the next stitch, also the last stitch. Make 1 treble crochet and 1 double crochet. 1 treble crochet. And 1 double crochet. At last, make 2 chain stitches. Slip stitch into the same stitch hole. Next, please use the same method to crochet the third and fourth leaves on your own. Now we have almost finished the first vine with 4 leaves on it. At last, we make 6 chain stitches. Leave a tail yarn and fasten off. Great! The first vine is complete. Please use the same method to complete the crochet for the other 5 vines. 3 of the vines will have 3 leaves each, while the remaining 2 vines will have 3 leaves each. Now that we've finished crocheting all 6 vines, including the pot and the lid we crocheted before, we have finished crocheting all the components. Now it's time to assemble them all. We will stack the first leaf of each vine together, holding the yarn tail together as well. Then insert crochet hook through the center of the lid, grab the yarn tails and pull through. You can do this once or multiple times as needed. Adjust it to the right position and tighten the yarn tail. After that, tie the ends of the vines and the end of the lid together. I already stuffed the pot. You can do it on your own. Now I'm going to sew the lid with the pot. Place the lid onto the pot, find a long strand on the lid, and thread it through a sewing needle for stitching. We sew the inner round stitches of the pot and the outer round stitches of the lid together. Let me show you the first stitch. Then we use the same method to sewing around. Please finish it on your own. See you later. After finishing the sewing, hide the yarn and cut off the excess thread. And then, we will adjust the leaves to make it look more beautiful. Finally, adjust the balance of the hanging basket as needed. And tie the 3 ropes together. Congratulations! Our Type C project is complete. Go and share it with your family and friends. If you have any problems during crocheting, please feel free to contact us via email. We will reply to you as soon as we receive it.